Courtesy visit, Honorable Sridharan Pilleji has been very cordial with the opposition. Whenever we had differences with the government, he tried to resolve the issues. And Sridharan Pilleji also his contribution towards the state of Goa, towards the people who needed a lot of sources. खास करून जे जावं कॅन्सर पेशंट जावं जे पेशंटाक डायलिसीस जाताले त्या वेळार बारीक बारीक लोकांक तो पावला. त्याच पद्दतीन गोंयचेर जायते बुकूय तेणें बरयले पर्यावरणाचे ऑन द ट्रीज. सो एज ही इज बींग रिप्लेस्ड, that is the reason why we came to say a courtesy visit to thank him on behalf of the Congress party, to thank him on behalf of what he has done for the state. The contribution has been immense. He's been an author and something I believe that who understands the system, and we wish him all the best in his next whatever is his next.